Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok repost button not showing. So the repost options on TikTok is a feature that will allow you to share videos with your followers. And if the options isn't showing on your TikTok, it might be due to settings, application versions, or feature availability. And this is how you can troubleshoot and fix it. So first, you need to check if the repost feature is available. You need to understand the regional limitation because TikTok may roll out features gradually, so the repost option might not yet be available in your region. You can also check for the TikTok updates. You can just go to the Google Play Store and ensure your TikTok application is updated to the latest version to access new features. So to update it, you can just let's open the Play Store, and then in here just directly search for TikTok. So click on search and find TikTok. So if you see updates in here, you can just click on it and install the latest version, and you can just restart the application. You can also try to log out and log back into your TikTok account. So ensure you are using the account associated with the feature rollout, and check. You need to also check the account type because business account may have restrictions compared to the personal account. And you need to also enable the repost feature. So you can just go to the TikTok settings by going to your profile and then tap on the three lines menu at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy, and here under the privacy you need to ensure that any content sharing features are enabled in here. And the next thing that you can do is check the video eligibility. So not all videos are eligible for reposting, so you need to ensure that the video you are trying to repost is not private or restricted by the creator. You need to also verify the feature placement. So the repost button usually appears under the share options. So you can just click on the share option in here and you'll find repost. If you don't see it, the video may not allow reposting. And you can also try to clear the TikTok application cache by again going to the settings in here, and then you can just scroll down until you find the free up space option. Now you can just tap on clear on cache in here. So by doing that, you can remove temporary files that might cause feature glitches. So if the issue is still there, you can try to also contact the TikTok support and report the problem. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.